And marriage?
Yes.
Any idea when you want to
Where's
do?
the boy?
Okay.
I'm ready.
When was your first relationship?
In university.
Why did you guys break up? Do you remember?
Because we should have. It was terrible. Favorite co-star? I love Ranveer, BD, Arjun, just because I love him. But actually, I always wanted to work with Ranveer, and I'm getting to work with Ranveer
Yes.
now. So maybe he'll become my favorite co-star.
You think you know everything about your favorite Bollywood stars? We bet not. In this new segment from Bollywood Bubble, we'll present some secrets from your stars which you hadn't any clue about. So today for the episode we have Parineeti Chopra, who we will get to know in 7 minutes as much as we can.
I'm
So
actually
Parineeti,
nervous about
there will be a set of questions. So jitne hain fans ke liye fat you can answer so that they get to know more of
In
you.
one word or one
Yeah, it
sentence
can be
or-
whatever.
Like short answers.
Yeah, short answers, okay? So we can start the timer now. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Check my phone.
What's about that one thing that you hate doing in the morning?
Nothing. I love my mornings.
Are you a tea or a coffee person?
Coffee on set, tea at home.
Do you make your own tea?
No.
How do you like your tea or coffee?
Coffee, black coffee, no sugar, no cream. And tea, I like my nice Indian tea.
When you talk about food, what's the weirdest thing you have eaten?
A kiwi pizza.
What's that one food item that you can cheat on whole day?
Pizza.
Do you cook?
I've just started to.
Remember any moment when you burnt food or kitchen disasters?
Oh, absolutely. I tried to bake a cake at one point and there are many giggles behind this camera because they were there to witness this disaster.
You have such amazing skin. What do you do for such glowing skin?
I actually have a rule. I put as less products on my face as possible. So only a moisturizer.
When was your last train journey?
Here or abroad?
Anywhere.
Well, London all the time because I spend half my year in London. So, like,
And in India?
India was like 10, 20.
Have you ever traveled without a train ticket?
No. I'll die of guilt. I'm not that person.
Have you ever been caught by a TT? Normally.
Caught
Like when-
doing what? I'm a very good girl.
As an actor, do you miss doing things that you can't do as an actor here? Because
Yes,
you know there's...
I miss some things.
What are the things?
Like I miss like not dressing up all the time. For example, like I would love to just walk out in my pajamas and chappal for a meeting, but I can't.
If you weren't the girl on the train and you were a director, who would you make it with?
I would make it with Parineeti Chopra.
But if Parineeti Chopra was the director, who would she make it with? If not Parineeti
And
Chopra
I'll
as an
cast
option?
myself only. I'm not going to let this film go to anybody else. This is mine.
Okay. Favorites then. What's your favorite color?
White.
Favorite film of all times?
None.
No favorite
Like
film?
there are just many. Also, I watch very few films. So
Your favorite Bollywood character?
favorite Bollywood character, Meera Kapoor from The Girl on the Train.
Okay. A character that is exactly like you. A character you played on screen which is exactly like you.
Exactly like me.
Or maybe similar to you.
None. Not at all. I just acted too well and it looked like me. But I'm not any of those people.
Which is that one?
All of them. Like people think that I'm very much like Ladies vs. Ricky Bell and Ishaq Zade and all, but no, I just acted my best.
Was there one thing you're absolutely passionate about?
Passionate about travel.
Is there a hobby you regret not taking up as a profession?
Scuba diving.
Okay. A romantic date for you would be?
Sitting at home in my pajamas, watching Netflix, eating pizza.
And marriage?
Yes.
Any idea? When you want
where's
to do?
the boy?
Okay.
I'm ready.
Do you want a swamvar?
Never.
A big no-no in your relationship would be?
A big no-no? Cheating.
Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
I don't even see next 10 minutes where I'm going. I don't know.
Do you love superheroes?
Superheroes, sure.
Are you a Marvel fanatic or a DC person?
Neither. I don't watch. This is where I've lost half the audience.
But what's your favorite superhero or heroine? Like something that you would love to play if an Indian version is made.
I think I would love to do like Wonder Woman or something.
Who's your favorite co-star and why?
Favorite co-star? I love Ranveer, BD, Arjun, just because I love him. But actually, I always wanted to work with Ranbir, and I'm getting to work with Ranbir
Yes.
now. So maybe he'll become my favorite co-star.
Okay. What kind of films usually do you love watching?
Either like mysteries that I need to solve, or then rom-coms.
Okay.
Depends on the mood. But actually, the thing that I watch the most is docus. Yeah.
Is there a movie that made you cry? Last.
Oh yeah, too many. Like very randomly in Hindi, Tare Zameen Par is a film I can't watch. Pursuit of Happiness is a film I simply can't watch it. Like if it comes, I quickly change the channel.
Yeah. Do you remember the last time you cried personally?
Yes, last night.
For what? Why did you cry?
Life.
Life. Okay, the most overrated film that you've watched and you feel that.
I can't say. I will have too many haters.
Okay, the most underrated film. I have an answer to this.
You say the answer.
Meri Pyari
I
Bindu.
knew you would say it. I also agree with you.
One performance of yours you absolutely love and you feel is Oscar worthy also. Like your best.
Oscar-worthy?
Best.
I hope Girl on the Train. I hope so.
One actor can be a married actor. If not married, you would have hots for.
Seth,
One quality in a person that turns you on completely.
intelligence.
That's
and
why
a
I
sense
said.
of humor.
That's why I said.
Exactly.
Are you single?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
No, I'm really not.
When was your first relationship?
In university.
Why did you guys break up? Do you remember?
Because we should have. It was terrible.
One film you regret passing on.
Now, actually I've never passed on a film. I've had certain films that didn't work out because I was going to do some other film and the dates clashed and so and so.
Okay, one person you stalk.
The Kardashians. I love them. No, I'm just fascinated with their with their life, like how they've managed to become who they've become with doing what they do,
If you could get a chance to steal one thing from them, what would it be?
If I would steal Kris Jenner because she made this whole thing happen.
Okay, and lastly, rate yourself quickly as an actor out of 10.
No, I can never do that. You have
I'll
to.
rate 9. As a daughter,
As a daughter, I'm pretty good.
10.
Maybe.
As a fashionista,
No, still learning. 0.
10 because she's given me too many advice today. As a sister,
As a sister, 100 on 100. I'm like a mother to them, in fact.
one question you would like to be asked.
Wow. I would really like to be asked what I am as a person because people have these images of me and I would love to clarify.
And what would the answer to that be?
That I am not this filmy, happy, bubbly girl that you guys all think. I'm actually the opposite. I'm not a filmy person. I'm very academic. I read a lot. I travel a lot. So I'm a very different person.
But that was it. I think you
many did I
answered
do?
maximum. I think you've answered at least over 50 questions. And I'm super proud of you. I think your
Thank
fans will get to know a lot more about you in these 7 minutes.
I loved it.
But
Thank you.
thank you, Pariniti. You have always been one of the kindest to me
So
from the
sweet,
time
thank
I
you.
was just starting off in Calcutta to now, I
Yes,
think.
that is
So,
true.
yes, I will always be in the PC team.
Thank you. Thank you. I need Team PC to be strong.